Let's look at past simple and past continuous passives. Make a passive sentence from this. Somebody stole my car yesterday. Remember to follow the same steps. The answer is, my car was stolen yesterday. The car becomes the subject. As the active verb is past simple, we then write was. We change the active verb into a past participle, stolen. Then we finish the sentence. Try this one. Tom ate the apples. The apples were eaten. Make a passive sentence from this one in past continuous. The children were riding horses. Horses were being ridden. Horses is the new subject. The verb to be in past continuous is was being or were being. We choose were being because horses is a plural noun. Then we add the past participle of ride, which is ridden. Try this one. Kelly and Sue were writing the report. The answer is, the report was being written. Now we are going to make questions in past simple passive. Make a yes/no question from this. My car was stolen yesterday. Was your car stolen yesterday? The first part of the verb cluster, was, comes before the subject. Now make a subject question. What was stolen yesterday? The subject changes to what or who, and in this case it's what. Now ask a question with the answer yesterday. When was your car stolen? We write when, then we put the first part of the verb cluster before the subject. Let's try the same with past continuous. Make a yes/no question from this. The report was being written. Was the report being written? The first part of the verb cluster is was, and that comes before the subject. Make a subject question now. What was being written? The subject, the report, becomes what? Now ask a question beginning with why. Why was the report being written? After why, we write the first part of the verb cluster, then the subject, then the rest of the sentence. Easy, yes? Now try the practice sheet on these and check your answers.